Today on the next Biz Thing, we're exploring a standout player in the world of digital infrastructure, ValueHost. This Brazilian web hosting company has carved out an important space for itself by offering dependable, scalable, and high performance hosting solutions that empower businesses of all sizes to grow with confidence. From its roots in São Paulo to its impact across Latin America and beyond, ValueHost represents exactly the kind of emerging business that's transforming industries from the inside out. ValueHost began with a clear mission: to create hosting services that went beyond the basics. It wasn't just about putting websites online. It was about giving businesses a solid foundation to operate, scale, and thrive in an increasingly digital world. From the start, the company understood that reliability, performance, and support were going to be critical in earning the trust of entrepreneurs and developers alike. Over the years, ValueHost has grown into a web hosting provider that serves a wide range of clients, hosting thousands of websites across different sectors. Their success lies in their approach, combining cutting-edge infrastructure with client-centric services. That mix has allowed them to stay competitive in a space that's often dominated by global giants. But ValueHost's strength lies in being local while thinking global. Let's start by looking at what makes their infrastructure so compelling. One of ValueHost's defining features is its focus on performance. Rather than relying on overcrowded shared servers, they offer dedicated resources that ensure consistency and reliability. That's crucial for businesses that can't afford to deal with slow load times or server crashes. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a business portfolio, or a software application, having reliable uptime and responsive speeds can directly affect your bottom line. What's more, ValueHost supports a variety of modern programming languages and frameworks. Developers aren't limited to traditional setups. They can work with tools like Node.js, Ruby, and Python. That flexibility gives creators the freedom to build the kind of experiences they envision without being boxed in by outdated hosting environments. Another powerful advantage is the company's multi-location infrastructure. ValueHost doesn't rely solely on data centers in Brazil. They've strategically expanded to other countries to minimize latency and offer faster connections for users around the world. For businesses based in Latin America that want to scale globally, this is a game changer. It allows them to maintain a local presence while extending their reach. But infrastructure alone isn't what makes the ValueHost special. Their real differentiator is customer support. They operate on a philosophy of being present for their clients, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Support is available through multiple channels, including ticketing systems, live chat, and even WhatsApp. This level of accessibility ensures that when something goes wrong, clients aren't left scrambling for help. They're quickly connected to someone who can provide real solutions. That's especially important for small and medium businesses, which often don't have in-house technical teams. ValueHost becomes more than a service provider. It becomes a partner. Whether you're just getting started or migrating from another host, they offer onboarding and migration assistance that makes the transition seamless. And then there's the pricing structure. ValueHost has been very intentional in keeping their services affordable without cutting corners on quality. Their plans are designed to scale with a business. So whether someone is launching a personal blog or building a high-traffic web platform, there's a plan that fits. This kind of cost-effectiveness means entrepreneurs can reinvest savings into other areas of their business while still maintaining robust hosting. The company also places a strong emphasis on transparency. There are no long-term contracts that lock clients in, and no hidden fees that show up after sign-up. This straightforward approach builds trust, something that's increasingly rare in a world of fine print and complicated service agreements. Looking at the bigger picture, What ValueHost is doing speaks directly to the needs of the emerging business landscape. More than ever, businesses are being built online from day one. Whether it's a SaaS startup, an online retail brand, or a content-driven platform, every venture needs a dependable digital home. And that home needs to be fast, secure, affordable, and supported by people who understand what it's like to build something from scratch. ValueHost also contributes to the digital development of the Latin American market. For many years, this region has been underserved when it comes to cutting-edge tech infrastructure. By offering local businesses world-class tools, ValueHost is helping to close that gap. Entrepreneurs in Brazil and neighboring countries now have access to services that rival and in some cases outperform those offered by international competitors. What's really exciting is the way ValueHost positions itself as a partner in growth. They're not just offering a product, they're offering a platform that can adapt as your business evolves. You can start with an entry-level hosting package, and as your traffic increases or your tech stack becomes more complex, you can upgrade without friction. That scalability is essential for today's fast-paced business environment. Think about it. A business that starts with a small online storefront might one day expand into a multi-language e-commerce operation with global customers. With ValueHost, that growth doesn't mean switching to a new provider or facing costly downtime. It means scaling up within the same trusted ecosystem. And let's not forget about security. As digital threats become more sophisticated, having secure hosting is no longer optional. ValueHost takes security seriously, implementing proactive monitoring and data protection measures that keep clients' information safe. For businesses that handle sensitive customer data or process transactions, this peace of mind is invaluable. The hosting industry may not always be glamorous, but it's foundational. It's the plumbing of the internet, unseen when it works, but immediately obvious when it fails. That's why choosing the right host is a strategic decision, not just a technical one. And companies like ValueHost understand this at a deep level. They've taken the time to build a service that addresses real-world needs, not just feature lists. They've stayed close to their clients, listening to feedback, and evolving alongside the market. That level of responsiveness is exactly what modern businesses need. So if you're a founder, developer, or digital entrepreneur, consider what ValueHost represents. It's not just another hosting company. It's a case study in how to do things right. It's proof that with the right blend of technology, customer focus, and strategic thinking, even a local company can rise to play on a global stage. For our listeners today, the takeaway is simple. When you're building something new, don't overlook your hosting partner. Look for someone who sees your growth as part of their mission. Someone who offers you tools for today, but is ready for what tomorrow brings. ValueHost exemplifies that mindset. They've taken a necessary, often overlooked part of the internet economy and turned it into a business that supports creators, innovators, and entrepreneurs across the region. And they're doing it with a level of care and consistency that deserves recognition.